What's up? I'm Vin, and I'm going to show how to construct a tangent line. So we have construct a line that is tangent to circle O at point A. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to connect O to A, and then we're going to extend this line segment through point A like this. And that's so that we have space to construct a perpendicular line. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move the compass over to point A. And from here, what we do is we swing an arc on either side of point A so that it hits this line segment at two locations. So I'm going to extend it like this, and I'll swing an arc once and then a second time like this on the other side. So now that we have these 2 points of intersection, we move the compass to one of them and we open it up so it goes past point A. And now I'm going to move the compass in this direction here above, and I'm going to swing an arc above. And then I repeat this process over at the other point. So I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to flip it over here and then swing the arc above. Now, the way that you could remember this technique, because there are a lot of constructions to remember, just know that this technique is exactly the same as constructing a line that is perpendicular to another line through a point on the original line. Okay, so this is just constructing perpendicular lines. So now the last thing we need to do is just connect this point over here to point A. And the line that I draw in, I'm just going to make sure to put arrows on the end, because technically we are constructing a line that is tangent to circle O at point A. So we could say, and I'll just move this over a little bit, that this line that we just made here is in fact the tangent line to circle O at point A. And the conclusion we could draw is we could say that we have a 90-degree angle over here at point A, because the radius connects to the tangent line at the point of tangency and forms a 90-degree angle.